Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome to my channel, where we discuss all things related to building a successful brand and engaging with your audience. Today's topic is social listening, a crucial aspect of online marketing that can help you understand your audience better and improve your brand's reputation. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's define what social listening is. It's the process of monitoring social media platforms, forums, blogs, and other online channels to track conversations related to your brand or industry. This information can help you understand your audience's needs and preferences, identify potential issues or opportunities, and create more effective marketing strategies. Now, let's talk about how to monitor social media conversations effectively. The first step is to determine which platforms your target audience uses the most. For example, if you're targeting a younger audience, you might focus on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Snapchat. If your audience is more professional, LinkedIn might be the best platform to monitor. Next, you need to choose a social listening tool that suits your needs. There are many tools available in the market, such as Hootsuite, Brandwatch, Mention, and more. These tools can help you track your brand mentions, monitor your competitors, and analyze your audience's sentiment towards your brand. When using these tools, it's essential to choose the right keywords that will help you track relevant conversations. Here are some SEO-optimized keywords that you can use. Brand name plus reviews. Brand name plus complaints. Industry-specific keywords plus brand name. Brand name plus competitors. These keywords are highly trending, have low competition, and have high search volume. By using these keywords, you can track what people are saying about your brand, identify potential issues or opportunities, and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Now, let's talk about how to engage with your audience using social listening. When you monitor your brand's conversations, you can identify opportunities to engage with your audience and build relationships with them. For example, if you notice a customer complaining about your product, you can respond to their comment and offer a solution to their problem. This can help you turn a negative experience into a positive one and show your audience that you care about their satisfaction. Moreover, social listening can also help you identify brand ambassadors or influencers who are promoting your brand. You can engage with them and offer them incentives to continue promoting your brand to their followers. This can help you increase your brand's reach and build a loyal customer base. In conclusion, social listening is a powerful tool that can help you understand your audience better and improve your brand's reputation. By monitoring social media conversations, using the right keywords, and engaging with your audience, you can build a strong online presence and grow your business. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me get to 100,000 likes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.